What's going on, guys? Figured I'd go for a drive. It's super nice out. And one of you guys was on Instagram telling me to go make a video, so thank you for the motivation. So since the last video of this thing, I got the Falcon Azenis RT660 tires.
These are some chunky boys.
And then I got the Artwork Bodyshop Diffuser. Looks pretty cool. I'll probably, I don't know, maybe I'll throw some clips of me and my buddies installing it. We got a few and it was pretty funny. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro now. GoPro's still on there, big success. If you want to see more videos like this, or if you want to see more videos of this car or my C63 or whatever else, you know, I'll film my friends' cars too. But if you want to see more of the content, then drop a sub. I'll be trying to make more videos and more frequently too. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I have, you know, I want to do like more mod videos and stuff and film them properly and, you know, do a better job of that stuff.
Should use the jack. Prop the diffuser up with the jack.
That's a good idea.
Now we're thinking.
Now we're doing
Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Now we're cooking with 520. I would have said that every 10 minutes and drove me nuts. You'd get something right and be like, now we're cooking with peanut oil. Oh. It's so much bigger than
It's got a cool sticker. I don't think I want it on the diffuser, but
Is it black?
yeah.
Put it on the window.
True. But it's good. It's painted too, right? So we can detail it.
Yeah. Where do they go into?
I think we had a drill.
Should have washed the car before you did this.
Well, I have quick detail. Maybe I should do that.
Maybe just the back. Yeah. Actually, just, you know what? Turn the camera off. Cut!
We're done. No more.
I quit! I don't know, we can keep recording it. I just don't want to get it. I was thinking we could blast it with the hose so we're not just like dry wiping it. Anyway, you guys want to see my dick?
So yeah, guys, if you want to know how to install Artwork Bodyshop diffuser in this town, all you gotta do is put your car in sticks. It's not gonna take much to go through.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, you haven't mocked it up? Yeah. All right. Oh, dude, that's gonna look sick.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like way bigger than the other. It didn't look that much bigger.
I feel like we could leave the diffuser kind of propped up and do the two end ones. You're gonna need an extension cord, eh?
You're correct.
I just nailed whatever's on the other side.
Probably makes sense.
Yeah.
Probably pretty sweet. Nice hardware.
Yeah. You want me to throw that on?
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. Dude, you so f***ing slow I am. I turned my head and I was like, what the f*** are you talking about?
Want me to throw that diffuser on?
Took me fucking 3 years to register what you were talking about.
That's all I need.
F yes, spec. Can't wait to see this thing go flying down the highway.
Local jackass kills a family of 6.
Oh, that's awful.
Say his diffuser went right through the windshield. It hit little Tim Turner right in the face.
He even put his Instagram logo on the diffuser and everything, so we know who it was. You gotta use that?
Yeah.
Sick. Are you able to come hold this like bolt thing right here? Like if you can just hold this. Here. Right here. You see it? Where am I? Okay, where my
Feeling your thumb.
where my thumb is right here. Oh my god,
Oh,
dude.
Fuck, there's
Alright.
tears coming out of my eyes.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright, reef on it.
What?
Reef on that MF.
You feel it? Yeah, I got it. Feel his bolt.
Oh, fuck.
Feel his nut.
It's not turning on. Fuck.
I like in like YouTube videos they show you like it's all it takes.
Yeah.
It's like 10 minutes.
10 minutes and your diffuser's on, looking good. Meanwhile, it's been 2 weeks. They had it repainted. They have body filler because they dented the car. It's pretty good. That's sick. Jordan, I'm thinking. I got a little present for the M3. Imagine this.
What's up, you guys? This is my E92 M3.
The final piece, the final mod, the final mod. Man,
Put extra time care.
that's mint.
Isn't that something?
That's sick. Cool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.